Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove original video sound in VN apps. So here I've already opened the VN video editor apps, and I've already imported a video which has an original sound on it. Okay, so let's say I want to add music or other audio file into this video, but I want to remove the original video sound first. So there are two things that you can do if you want to do the same. The first thing is that you can just mute the audio from the video by clicking on this speaker icon at the bottom like this, and just like that the audio will be muted. There will be no audio played in the background. So that's the first way. And the second way is just you can go find the volume options at the menu at the bottom here, and just lower the volume into 0% like this. You can see now the original sound has been muted or removed. Just click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.